Okay, hello. My name is Luis Gustavo Martinez Delgado, and that's my presentation for the final project to in tagging English. And I'm gonna explain about module number 8, and I will continue. I will be start with this. Okay, we got in the module number 8 is like a new technologies we can find in the world, and we're gonna start with communication system communication, wherever you want to call. And the system communication, we have a lot things like a source, like key components we can find, like a source, transmitter, transmission, medium, receivers, and destinations. And we have a type of communication system like analogic communication and digital communication, wireless communication, wire communication, uh, we had to optical communication, satellite communication. There's a lot of type two communication we have we can use too. And two, we have our communication protocols. That's our protocol we can use to can create a new web new networks to gain communication, like protocols like TCP, IP, or transmission control protocol, internet protocol. We had the Bluetooth, we had the Wi-Fi, and the we have the LTE or 5G or 2.4 gigahertz like the web we can use. Okay, we have two in this presentation. We have like the networks we can use, and in this network we can have a key components to network, like a device network interface, switcher hubs, routers, and different protocols like the protocols I explained before. But we have two the types of network we can use. If you don't know, we have a different type of network. It's not the same all the time. We have a LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN, VPNs, and SIM. All these network have that's a acronym, and the real name is like is local area network, wire area network, metropolitan area network, and more different types of network we can use. We have a network topology too we can find, and these topologies like bus topology, star topology, ring topologies, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. And we have two protocols to network. It's not just okay, I have a network. No, all the network have a protocol like TCP. That's a protocol I explained before. We had two HTTP or FTP or DNS, DHCP, and we're gonna continue with the next topic. And this topic is video games. In the video games, we have a big word to think and explain. Like we have gameplays, we got graphics, we have sound and music, we have storyline, we have control, and we have a multiplayer. The game is an entire world we can explore. Is we can find games like action game, adventure games, role play games, simulation games, strategic games, sport and racing games, fighting games, and then more more type to games. And not just this, we have two different types to things we can use to can play video games like console game, PC game, mobiles, and virtual reality. Like that's we can say this gonna be the last virtual reality, and that's the more innovation we have. But we have to sport, like that's a methodology we included the video games like be a sport, but not exactly sport. It's sport, but you don't. It's not physical. It's not like you move. It's more like sport like video games. You can be professional to play a video game, and And examples we can use for this topic is like League of Legends, have a esport, Counter Strike, Dota, Fortnite, Call of Duty, uh, and a lot more games we can find. And we have for the last, but no more, but for the last, new technology. Why when we talk about new technology, it's like innovation now. It's not something exists now. It's something someone tried to make and create a new technology to can be more to can see more in the future, like the artificial intelligence who can create someone not non-human but have like this the same process the human had to can think the process, can think the what gonna do, and can have have this option to can be more human. We have like the next generation to can connect it. We have a quantum computer, like that's supposed to be the most powerful computer exists in the world. In this computer, you can give it a problem like a math problem, the more difficult math problem, and this computer can resolve this. We have a blockchain and cryptocurrencies. We have the Internet of things, or if you say in Spanish, el Internet de las cosas. And we have virtual reality or augmented reality too, and autonomous vehicles. And that's gonna be all for my explain for my exposition in this night. I do this now in the night, and I wanna say thank you for see all the video, and have a good day, have a good night, have a good evening.